Hello. This video about me and my silly talent that I have developed since I was a little kid, reading anime, reading manga, anime when watching action movie. Since I don't know anything else of any talent I have, I think this is my only talent. I can't draw, I can't act, I can't sing. So the only talent I have is for being a non-English speaking, not non-English, is I can speak English very well. But who doesn't speak English very well? So I'm gonna put something else as my talent. Something I did since I was a little kid, making machine gun noises using my mouth. Okay, you might say this is a label of a misspent youth, but hey, who doesn't misspent their youth? Okay, maybe the lawyers, the doctors, or maybe the presidents. Yeah, you know. Again, who the hell care, right? Okay, here we go. Okay, I think there's another one I can make. Okay, let's go. Okay, maybe small caliber one. More okay, that's the orc from the space Warhammer 40k series. Okay, maybe a little bit more. I don't know. Things look different when I'm planning this. When it's on camera, it's already like this. Okay. I already did that. Okay. A bit spewy there, so don't stand straight in my face. Doing that. Yeah, people do that, do you? I think that's all. I think I planned this video is better than I expected. But you know. Okay, if you think this video is silly and stupid, just say it. I don't mind, cause this is for fun. And if you really hate it, you probably should write to YouTube saying, YouTube, the devil guide this boy to make this video to rape our son, to molest the ear of our virgin sons and daughters. And if you want to hate me, go ahead. I'm not doing anything bad to people. I'm not bombing people. No, there's such a thing with that. Hey, admit it. Even if you're an angel, people gonna hate you. Haters still gonna hate you. Okay, goodbye.